Today, I'm reviewing MoneyKey, a credit builder website that aims to help individuals with less than perfect credit scores. When you first land on the site, you'll notice that the design is clean and simple, with clear navigation options. It's pretty straightforward, and they make it easy to understand what services they offer. MoneyKey primarily provides short-term loans that you can use to help build or improve your credit score, which is ideal for people who may not qualify for traditional bank loans or credit cards due to their credit history. The process to get started is quick and can be done entirely online. The website asks for some basic personal and financial information to determine eligibility, which I found was relatively hassle-free. It's important to note that MoneyKey focuses on small loans, and the terms may vary depending on your state and your creditworthiness. One thing that stands out about MoneyKey is their transparency when it comes to fees. They provide clear information about the interest rates and loan terms upfront, which is a nice touch compared to some other online lenders that can be a bit vague. The loan process typically takes just a few minutes, and if you're approved, the funds are usually transferred quickly. Now, while MoneyKey is a great option for people looking for an immediate credit boost, it's important to consider whether the terms are favorable for your situation. Some users might find the interest rates higher than traditional bank loans, but if you're in need of building credit quickly, it could be worth it. In terms of customer support, MoneyKey offers both phone and email assistance, and I found them to be responsive when I had questions during the process. One thing to keep in mind is that this platform doesn't offer as many features as some other credit building websites. It's more of a one-size-fits-all loan option. It's ideal if you're looking for a quick solution, but might not be the best long-term strategy if you're looking for a broader set of tools for improving your financial situation. Overall, MoneyKey is a solid choice for people who need short-term help with building credit, or those looking to access funds quickly without a perfect credit history. But, as with any financial service, make sure to read the terms carefully and ensure this is the best option for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews of financial tools and websites.